Pakistan's economy is changing very fast. We see more and more people starting their businesses online. From small shops on Instagram selling clothes to freelancers offering their skills worldwide, the digital economy is growing. This is a very good sign for our country. It means new jobs are being created and people are finding new ways to earn. However, with this growth comes a big question. How does the government make sure everyone is paying their fair share of taxes? The Federal Board of Revenue, or FBR, has introduced a new system to answer this. It is called Iris2.0, an updated version of their online tax portal, launched to make tax filing simpler for everyone, especially those in the digital world. The main reason for launching Iris 2.0 is to modernize our tax system. The old methods were often complicated and confusing. People had to fill out long paper forms, stand in queues, and deal with a lot of paperwork. This was very difficult for small business owners and freelancers who are already very busy. The FBR understood this challenge. They saw that Pakistan's digital economy was expanding rapidly, and the tax system needed to keep up. Iris 2.0 is the FBR's effort to bring tax collection into the 21st century. It is designed to be user-friendly, efficient, and transparent, encouraging more people to become part of the formal tax net. For online businesses, this new system is particularly important. In the past, many online sellers and freelancers operated in a gray area. It was not always clear how they should declare their income or what taxes they needed to pay. This created confusion and meant that the government was missing out on a lot of potential revenue. Iris 2.0 aims to solve this problem by providing a clear and straightforward process. It is specifically designed to handle the unique nature of online income, whether it comes from selling products on a website, earning money through a YouTube channel, or providing freelance services to clients abroad. This is a major step towards formalizing a vital part of our economy. So, what does this mean for you if you run a small online business? It means the way you interact with the tax department is about to change for the better. The goal of Iris 2.0 is not to create more problems for you. Instead, it is to make the process of becoming a taxpayer much easier. Think of it as a bridge connecting your digital business to the country's formal economy. By using this system, you are not only fulfilling your national duty, but also gaining legitimacy for your business. This can open up new opportunities, such as getting bank loans or working with larger companies. The FBR wants to be a partner in your growth, not a barrier. The biggest change with Iris 2.0 is its focus on simplicity and accessibility. The previous system could often feel like a maze, especially for someone who is not a tax expert. The new portal has a much cleaner design and a more logical layout. The language used is simpler, and there are helpful guides to walk you through each step. For online sellers, this is a huge relief. The FBR has introduced specific sections and forms that are tailored for e-commerce and digital services. This means you no longer have to try and fit your online income into categories designed for traditional businesses, which was a common problem with the old system. Another significant update is the improved integration with other systems. Iris 2.0 can now connect more effectively with your bank accounts and other financial data. This helps in automating parts of the tax filing process. For example, if you receive payments from international clients into your bank account, the system can help you declare this income more accurately. This feature, known as point-of-sale integration for larger online stores, helps in real-time reporting of sales. For a small freelancer, it means the system can cross-reference information to ensure your declarations are correct, reducing the chance of making a mistake and facing penalties later. It is all about making the data work for you. The registration process itself has been completely revamped for new taxpayers. Before, becoming a registered taxpayer could take a lot of time and require physical visits to a tax office. With Iris 2.0, you can complete the entire registration online from your home or office. You will need your computerized national identity card, a mobile number registered to your name, and an active email address. The system verifies your details in real time with NADRA's database. For an online business, this is perfect. You can get your national tax number in minutes and be ready to file your taxes, all without leaving your computer. Finally, Iris 2.0 places a strong emphasis on transparency and communication. The portal provides a clear dashboard where you can see your entire tax history, pending notices, and payment status. If the FBR needs more information from you, it will send a notification directly to your Iris 2.0 inbox and your email. This eliminates the fear of missing an important notice that might have been sent by post. For a small business owner, like someone selling handmade crafts on Facebook, this direct line of communication is invaluable. It helps you stay on top of your obligations and builds trust between you and the tax authority, which is essential for a healthy tax culture. Let's walk through the process step by step. The first thing you must do is register on the Iris 2.0 portal. Go to the FBR Iris website and click on Registration for Unregistered Person. You will need to enter your scenic name and a mobile number and email address that are registered in your name. The system will send verification codes to both your mobile and email. Once you enter these codes, you have successfully created your account and will be issued an NTN. For example, a freelance writer named Ali who earns money from international websites can complete this entire process during his lunch break. It is designed to be that quick and straightforward for individuals. Once you are registered, the next step is to file your annual income tax return. This is where you declare all your earnings for the tax year, which runs from 1st July to 30th June. In Iris 2.0, you will find a simplified tax return form. You need to fill in your personal information and then move to the income section. Here, you will declare the money you made from your online business under the Business Income tab. For instance, if a home-based baker, Fatima, sold cakes worth 500,000 rupees through her Instagram page, she would enter this amount here. She must also declare any expenses she had, like the cost of flour, sugar, and packaging, to calculate her net profit. After declaring your income, you need to complete your wealth statement. This is a very important part of the tax return. A wealth statement is a summary of all your assets, like property, bank balance and vehicles, and liabilities like loans at the end of the tax year. The system requires that your declared wealth for the current year logically follows from the previous year's wealth and this year's income and expenses. For our freelance writer Ali, this means declaring the money in his bank account, and maybe the new laptop he bought for work. The system helps you reconcile these figures to ensure there are no discrepancies, making the process much more transparent. The final step is to calculate your tax liability and submit the return. Once you have entered all your income, expenses, and wealth details, Iris 2.0 will automatically calculate the amount of tax you owe based on the current tax slabs. If you have already had tax deducted at source, for example, by a bank on your profits, the system will account for that too. You can then pay any remaining tax through an online bank transfer or by visiting a designated bank branch. After payment, you can submit your return with a single click. For both Fatima and Ali, this means they can become compliant taxpayers without needing to hire an expensive consultant, empowering them to manage their own financial responsibilities. Embracing Iris 2.0 offers clear benefits for both online businesses and the government. For a business owner, the primary advantage is legitimacy. Being a registered taxpayer and a filer makes your business official. This can help you secure business loans, apply for visas, or even attract larger clients who only work with tax-compliant entities. Furthermore, the simplified online process saves a tremendous amount of time and money that would otherwise be spent on navigating complex procedures. For the government, a wider tax base means more revenue to spend on public services like roads, schools, and hospitals. It helps create a fairer system where everyone contributes to the country's development. However, many online sellers have valid concerns. A common worry is about data privacy and security. People are naturally cautious about sharing all their financial information online. The FBR has assured the public that Iris 2.0 uses advanced security protocols to protect taxpayer data. Another concern is the fear of being unfairly targeted or audited just for being online. The FBR's goal is to broaden the tax net, not to harass small businesses. The automated system is designed to be impartial, flagging major discrepancies rather than minor errors. For most small sellers, filing an honest return is the best way to avoid any issues and build a clean tax record. A frequent question is, do I need to file taxes if I only earn a small amount? The answer is yes. You should file a return even if your income is below the taxable limit. Filing a nil or a low-income return makes you an active taxpayer. Being on the active taxpayers list, or ATL, has many benefits, such as lower tax rates on various transactions like bank withdrawals and vehicle registration. For a freelancer just starting out, getting on the ATL early is a smart financial move. It shows you are a responsible citizen and sets a good foundation for your business as it grows. The system is designed to accommodate everyone, from high earners to those just beginning their journey. My final advice for all online businesses in Pakistan is to be proactive. Do not wait for the deadline to rush through the process. Start by gathering your financial records now. Keep a simple spreadsheet of your monthly income and business-related expenses. Register on the Iris2.0 portal today, even if the filing deadline is months away, just to familiarize yourself with the system. Watch the tutorials provided by the FBR and don't be afraid to use the help features. By taking these small, practical steps, you can ensure that you are fully compliant with the new tax regime. This will not only give you peace of mind, but also position your online business for long-term success and growth in digital Pakistan.